Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and my office again. Today I've just wrapped up work and I'm about to go to a networking event. And so I just thought I should pop on here and show y'all what I'm going to be wearing to this late summer networking event. And I have a couple looks that I'd like to show for what I'm going to do. It's for HR professional type of a thing. It's just a little summer wind down networking event. And I think we're going to be doing a little bit of like food and drinks and just chatting and maybe like a little presentation or something. So yeah, I'm just about to go there and wanted to show my look for the event. So this is the first version of what I'm gonna wear. And I've got on my Manzy nude pantyhose. These have become like a staple in my late summer outfits. They're a 20 den, and I'm also wearing some Chinese laundry loafers. They're a little bit of a platform type of thing. I'll give you a closer look. Yeah, they're called Chinese laundry. They have a nice chunky platform. The upper is like a kind of shiny leather look. And yeah, these are really comfy. And I'm wearing them with socks as well. A lot of people are wearing like socks with loafers these days. Kind of throwing it back to schoolgirl look vibes with this, and a little bit of like a 90s or early 2000s kind of look with the socks and schoolgirl kind of skirt. This is like a greenish black sort of plaid skirt with a little slit. It's a oaken fort. And then this is just like a nice linen little button up top that I have. Great for the warmer weather we're having. So yeah, this is likely what I'm going to be wearing to this little event tonight. It's pretty comfy. It's not like an overly formal event. It's going to be kind of casual, so that's what I'm going for. So that's what I've got here. And yeah, if you've seen my previous office video, you'll know this is my co-working space and my office that I share with another colleague. And so yeah, this is where I do my like HR consulting work. And it's a pretty nice space. We can decorate it kind of like how we like, which is nice. And, oh, actually, I wanted to show this before I get too far here. I wanted to actually layer the pantyhose because it's also kind of like getting cooler at night here. And so, wanted to do a bit of a layering today to show, yeah, just how that would look. And because it's really realistic, I'm definitely the type to carry around like extra pantyhose with me for the evening. If it gets colder, I'll layer some of these on. These are Sheertex. I've actually had a request, I believe, from the channel to showcase the Sheertex pantyhose. I've had these for a couple years or so, and they're marketed as like pantyhose that do not rip, and I can attest. I've worn these for dance, for all different kinds of things, and so far, like, they're pretty indestructible. So these are just in black, and I honestly forget what den they are, but they look to be like about a 30 or so. So I'm just gonna layer these right on top of the Manzy Nude. And I'm gonna also put the socks back on too, just because I really like that look of the socks and loafers. So you're gonna be pretty cozy with the double layers and the socks. Okay. And okay, nice. So they're not like a super thick den. You can definitely still see like the bit of nude look underneath. And I'll just go ahead and put the socks back on too. And we can see what it looks like with the black for a cozier look in case it gets colder and the evening continues. Okay, so that's that. The evening type of look. Everything else the same. Oops, my skirt's a little bit twisted. Skirt's kind of cute. I like how it has like the little slit. But yeah, so that's the black look. So with the socks too, curious what your thoughts are. Just have to check. Curious what your thoughts are on this. I actually haven't tried this on altogether before, so you're the first to see it. But I do like, you know, that it feels warm. These tights are really comfortable, and always like the black tends to make kind of like a more just like of a nighttime look. Oh, my lining of the skirt's all twisted. Okay, there we go, that's better. Okay, so that's this version of the look. I think for me, I prefer the nude, but I always appreciate having like the extra layers just in case it's a little bit cold and I need a little bit more warmth. So I'll be bringing these just in case. And yeah, I think like these are like probably a 30 den, but in the like larger parts of my leg, you can see through it. So they're not like super, super thick. And yeah, also never done like the black with white sock and black again. It's definitely giving like a real schoolgirl kind of look. So yeah, wish me luck at the networking event. I think there will be some people there I know, some people I don't, and it's always like a little bit vulnerable going to those things and just having to put yourself out there and interject yourself into conversations, introduce yourself, talk about what you do, and hope for some like connection or people that might want to refer to my business or things like that. So yeah, I pay close attention to what I wear at these events just because it makes an impression. So let me know what you think. Wish me luck at the event, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, y'all. See you.